Dietrich Mateschitz inverted the beverage model. He didn't build a drink company with a marketing department, he built a media house that happens to sell a drink to fund its stunts. When you create the most extreme content on Earth, like the Stratos space jump, the world's media broadcasts your advertisement for free. This is content-first commerce. Red Bull Media House isn't just a sponsor, it's a vertical monopoly. They own the athlete, the event, the footage, and the channel that broadcasts it. This is IP arbitrage. They take a 150 can of caffeine and use it to fund a multi-billion-dollar media library that grows in value every single year. When you buy a Red Bull, you aren't buying energy. You are buying a piece of the lifestyle. The drink is effectively a physical token for the media brand. If you only sell a product, you are a commodity. If you own the culture, you are a monopoly. Red Bull doesn't compete with soda brands. They compete with Disney and Netflix. In 2026, every company is a media company. Red Bull was just the first to realize it. Are you selling a drink or are you selling the thrill? Subscribe to Learning BizCraft for deep dives into innovative companies and the strategy behind the world's most disruptive technology.